we donate our jeans, the majority ends up in landfills. It doesn't go where we think it is going. The use of our clothing has gone down. We're not using it as long. Consumption has gone up. And why do we want to stop? Our resources are finite here on our planet. That emotional connection that we have to things has started to disappear. How do we hang on to it? When you're looking for a good pair of jeans that will last you as long as possible, first start with fit. Take the time to try on multiple pairs so that you can nail the fit. After that, the more distressed it is, or the more stone-washed or acid-washed it is, the less likely it's going to last for a long time because we're already degrading the fibers and the yarns on the product. And then after that, you can look for some construction details. The first one that I like to look for is rivets on the front pocket. Then the next thing that you can look for is your zipper. YKK is the best zipper brand out there for denim. And if you look on the back of the zipper pool, it'll tell you what the brand of the zipper is. And if YKK is not there, look for another pair that has YKK. And the last thing that I would look for is their reinforcement stitching on the back corners of the pocket rather than a rivet. Rivets tend to pull out too quickly, and a bar tack lasts for a lot longer. Another thing that you want to consider with fit, getting your jeans hemmed to your length so that you don't wear out the hem. And it's actually really an easy alteration. It doesn't take a lot of money and you can do it yourself. When you look at it, you can't even tell that it's been hemmed. To care for our denim, check the care label, set the water temperature, zip up our zipper, turn the jeans inside out. Then we'll wash it. Then when it comes out of the washer, you're going to hang it to dry, and then you're going to fold it nicely. It is recommended for denim products to go wear them between 5 and 10 times before you launder it. When you choose to mend your denim, there's a couple of different options you could consider. Sashiko mending is rooted in an ancient Japanese philosophy of using and respecting the resources that you have available to you. You find fabric scraps that you can layer underneath it, and then using running stitches, you stitch it all together. You're adding a story to your product, and that is really cool. Why do we care about fixing our denim? In the Doctrine and Covenants, we read, "All things which come of the earth in the season thereof are made for the benefit and the use of man, both to please the eye and to gladden the heart." And if we really take that to heart and think about who gave us those things that are supposed to make us happy and bring us joy, God gave us those. The last thing we should do is be throwing away our resources. I've seen students deconstruct their denim and make vests, bags, other pairs of pants out of them because they're patchworking things together. There are so many options of things we can do. Keychains, bookmarks. Wow, there's probably no limit to what you can create if you want to put on your thinking cap and utilize those resources even more. I took jeans from my brothers and my dad and myself and made those into a quilt. When I think about my denim blanket, I think of my dad and what a hard worker he was. And I think of my brothers, of how funny and teasing and just, they helped me grow so much into the mother that I am today. And I see parts of myself as a teenager and think that, you know, I made it, I did it. Even through all the mistakes, I made it. I love that I can share those individual stories that come to mind. That's just so cool that those memories continue to live on for years and years after they were ever worn and utilized as pants. I guess my plea and my passion and my life's work is to just try and share the joy of sustainability. All of those things are provided by our Heavenly Father, and they're there so that we can have joy and that we can help others have joy. And that really is the true mission of being a steward.